Okay, so what I'm up to today is I'm about to go to the junkyard to find some missing pieces for my car. There's a part in the front where it's missing like a nut and a bushing, and every time I go over any crack or any like shallow pothole in the road, I hear like a clanking sound. And also gonna replace the speakers in the back of my car. Hopefully I can find some decent ones at the junkyard. If not, I'll just order them offline. Yeah, let me give you guys a little listen to what I've been hearing for a little while. And it's nowhere near to full, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Alright, so I'm at the junkyard now, so I'm just looking for another accent. Alright, here we go. Looks like somebody did something with that, I don't know. Okay, so what I need, hopefully it's not gone. I need is like a bushing from right here. It's kind of heavy. Okay, so as far as finding the nut for both of those go, I found some that fit with this that goes through there. So I found some that fit the threading on this. So I'm gonna take those and hopefully those work. Now I'm going to look inside for speaker, and it looks like that one is intact. I just gotta take apart that assembly. So both of these look pretty busted up. So I think if I feel like it, I'll just order some new ones off the internet. I was just mainly looking for like a cheap fix so that they don't pop if I put the volume too loud. So we managed to find another accent. This one is the refresh one. So we'll try our luck with this. Okay, they're both still there, so let's hope that they're not as messed up as the other ones. Okay, so after taking off that speaker assembly, this one looks a lot better. It does have a small crack right there, but it's better than having no ring around it, so we'll take this one. So this one is pretty much undamaged. So these two look pretty well. So for comparison, I'm gonna go grab the other speakers from that other accent and bring them over here really quick. Okay, so for comparison, these are the ones from the refresh accent, and these ones are the one from, I don't know if you can see it, it's way over there, from the model accent that I have. So these ones are a lot better. These ones don't have this ring. So assuming that's why mine are rattling. So good find. And this accent also has the front assembly intact. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that and that, because it's a good idea just to have them both, just in case the other one fails. I don't have to come back here. So overall, good day. Just a little something before I leave. There's this SC400 here. The 1UZ in it looks like it's missing parts, but people usually switch it out for like a 2J or something, or maybe an LS. So if anyone's really looking for a fairly decent. SC. It's at pick apart. Yeah. Nice, let's look at the interior. Still has all the stock wheels on it. Yeah. Okay, so now that I'm back home, I'm gonna go ahead and put this washer and this nut that I found at the junkyard right here, because as you can see, that's pretty loose. And if we check the other side, where is it? It has the washer and the nut, and that's not going anywhere. Okay, so this nut is a 19 mil. I'm using a deep socket just cause. Alright, I think that'll do it. Okay, so now that we have put that replacement part on there, we do have an extra washer and an extra nut. So if anything were to happen to it, we can replace it again. Okay, so these are the speakers that I got from the junkyard, and these are the ones that I pulled off of my car. See, right here. They're pretty beat up. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up installing the first part, so now we got to do the second part. So set this housing upside down, put the speaker upside down onto these little notches, make sure it doesn't go anywhere, and then just pop these screws in to place. So from this pick apart, spent a total of $14.35 for the two speakers, and then those hardware that I used for the front. Overall, it's pretty good. I'm happy about it because the speakers do have a better quality to them. So go ahead and turn off the car. Okay, I just gotta clean this up. Alright, well, I think this is a good place to end today's video. Hopefully the clunking sound is fixed with the hardware that I put on, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or wanna give me an idea for another video, just leave it in the comment section, and if you like the video, give it a like. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.